Hi guys, this is it, the last day of Vlogmas, December 24th, and this is truly my favorite night of the year. It also means that Vlogmas is over, and that makes me a little bit sad. I mean, yes, I'm tired, and it's been kind of crazy, but it's been a lot of fun, and part of me wishes I could keep it going. Now, before we start with today's project, I have to thank my cousin, who teamed up with me to do a lot of the projects you saw during these days. She is super talented and creative, and incredibly generous to help me out with this. When disaster struck and I lost most of the filming we had done in advance and was about to quit the whole thing, she just came over and we redid those projects and then some. So thank you. I love you. You saved my life. And to all of you guys watching these videos, I wish you happy holidays and hope you enjoyed watching these videos as much as we enjoyed making them. Let's get to it. Last day of Vlogmas, and guys, I miss it so much already. You know, can't wait for next year. But I have saved the best for last, let me tell you. Because I love buttons, I really do. And this ornament, this teeny tiny wreath, was a joy to make, you know, hot glue and all. Thank you for doing this with me, and Merry Christmas.